Hello, I'm Michael Socavetta. In this video I'm going to talk about jQuery and how to replace it in older code. For web developers just starting out, it's not uncommon to find the solution you're looking for on Stack Overflow and just copy and paste it without really understanding what's going on, which is fine. We all start somewhere. Now, jQuery isn't bad in my opinion, but it's become obsolete. The best practice now is to learn JavaScript well and then focus on a framework like Vue, React, or Angular. Anyway, if you're new to JavaScript and you're not really sure how jQuery translates back into vanilla JavaScript, then you might find this helpful. So in jQuery, you might have something like this, or an even shorter version that looks like this. Now the exact same thing without using jQuery will look like this. Document, add event listener, then document object model, content loaded. As a great documentation resource, I recommend MDN. A fun challenge would be to find out why the event listener loaded before jQuery in the console log, or why false was added here as a third argument, and is it even necessary? I hope this has helped.